Hello all. Today we will start with the fourth lab program, which is develop a program in C for converting an infix expression to postfix expression. So program should support for both parenthesized and free parenthesized expression. That means it can be with brackets or without brackets with the operator plus, minus, into, slash, remainder and power, and also alphanumeric operators. So we are going to see how to convert infix expression to postfix expression. So we have already looked this in the theory part here. We have seen that this is what we looked in the theory part, conversion of infix to postfix. And here the points to note is this: first, understand that if you have a hash, its priority value is 0. If you have an opening bracket, its priority value is 1, plus or minus its priority value is 2, into, slash or modulo its priority value is 3. Power, you can write either with the upper caret sign or the other like S and line over it. That is, both of them tells about the power. So its a priority value is 4. And then the things you have to consider here is, whenever an operator comes, if an operator comes, you always have to consider about its associativity. So always remember plus, minus, into, slash and modulo all has left associativity. Always evaluate that expression from the left. So if suppose it is a plus b plus c, first we evaluate a plus b and then its answer plus c. So, but in the case of power, that is a power b power c, it is right associativity. So, what is right associativity? Right associativity means first you have to evaluate b power c and its answer with a power that answer. So, that is called as right associativity. Then the next thing you have to understand when you are converting from infix to postfix is, when an operand comes, you are directly going to put in postfix. When you have an opening bracket, you directly push it into the stack. Third thing is when the operator comes. So when the operator comes, we have a checking going on here where the priority what is in the stack, always check whether the priority what is present in the stack is greater than or equal to the priority character scanned. Okay, so if it is true, if this the one with one, the element which is present in the stack has more priority than the character scanned, you pop the element from the stack. Else, if the priority is less, then you push the character scan. And then the final thing is, when the closing bracket comes, you have to pop all the elements after the first two opening braces and ignore the closing and opening braces. So this is what you have to understand when we are going to do the this program. So about the priority hash, it has 0, priority is 0, the opening brace is priority 1, then plus and minus priority 2, then into, slash and modulo it has priority 3, and finally we have the power, which we can write by this caret symbol, or we can write like this, it has the power 4. So these are the first things you have to consider. The next thing you have to always consider is the associativity. In associativity, if you have suppose a plus b plus c, that is more than one plus operand is there, or not only plus, if it is minus or into or slash or modulo, what you're going to do is you're going to do left associativity. That means you're going to solve from left to right. So first solve a plus b and then with this answer then solve plus c. Okay, and when it is, suppose if you are doing power, we always solve it in the right associativity manner. So first solve b power c and store its answer, then a power that answer. That's what you have to think about associativity. Then what happens when your infix expression, if you're giving your infix expression and if your infix has expression has a opening braces, you just push it into the stack. And suppose if it is an operand, you can push it, you can put it in postfix, and then you have to consider your operators plus minus slash into hash modulo power. All this what you have to do, first you have to check the priority what is in the stack with, if it is greater than or equal to the priority which is of the character which is scanned from the infix operator. If it is, this is true, you can go for popping from the stack, pop the element from the stack, else you have to push the character scanned into the stack. Okay, and then finally if you encounter the closing braces, what you have to do is you have to um, you have to here what you have to do is you have to encounter the first opening braces, the opening brace. First find out the opening braces, which is the opening braces in your stack, and pop all the elements. And that means, suppose if you got this opening braces in the stack, consider your stack has now like this. So imagine it, stack is like this now. First you encounter, first you get your first opening braces. So this is the first opening braces which is occurring in the stack. So you pop all these elements. So first this comes out, slash comes out, then into comes out, and then you have to ignore this opening braces as well as this closing braces. So that's what we are going to do. So we will just see through the program. The program is very easy. So this is the program. First what we are going to do is we go to the void main. Okay, we go to the void main. Okay, so in void main what we are going to do, first we have some arrays, infix, postfix, then okay, first you're going to enter the infix expression. Okay, after you that infix expression is stored in infix array, infx array, and defaultly you are going to push hash. Okay, now this while loop is going to go till your infix expression is going to finish. Okay, you have an infix expression, and this while loop which is going till down, all this while loop till this down, what is going to happen, this is going to happen till your infix is going to, that expression ends. Okay, now first it will take the first character from the infix. It will see that if it is an opening braces, if it is an opening braces, what you have to do, as I told you, you have to push it into the stack. So in order to push it into the stack, we call a push function. We call the push function and we pass this character which is the opening braces into the stack. So let's see what is push function saying. So push function, we have written it here. So push gets that opening braces. Okay, the opening braces now come in the element ELEM is now with opening braces, and what it is going to do, it is going to, this opening braces is going to go into the stack yes. Okay, it is going to go into the stack yes, and after placing it into the stack, what it is, first you already know how everything is done in the stack. So first what we have to do, if this is a stack, imagine this is a stack, imagine this is top is -1. Okay, because this is empty now. Okay, now what it is going to do, if you are going to push your opening braces into the stack, first you do top plus plus. So here now your top comes and stands here, and then you push the element into the stack. So that's what here the program says. The program says that first you increase the top value in the S, that is your stack, and then put your element inside it. Okay, now, okay, if the case was opening braces. Now imagine if the case was alphanumeric thing. That means if it was an alphabet, uh, what are you going to do in that case? You are just going to directly copy it into the postfix. So directly copying it into the postfix means you have a postfix array and its indexes are mentioned using k, and there you push your character. So what is the meaning of this means? See, in postfix you're also going to have an array. Okay, this all is mentioned like 0, 1, 2, and k means, now imagine k is standing here, and if suppose you're pushing a operand or operand, what will sorry, and not an operand, an alphabet, what is going to happen? A comes and stands here. So this is postfix array. Okay, your postfix array, first take the kth position, put your character into it, and then increase k. Okay, increase k means k will stand here. So that's what it is saying here. First you put your character into the postfix k position, and then increase k. Now imagine if your character, the character scanned has been a closing braces. So at that time what you do, as I've already told you, all the elements till the opening braces, you encounter first your opening braces, and all the elements inside these opening braces should be popped out. So that is the code for that is this one. Okay, so it is saying you go to your stack and you start popping all the elements into the postfix at k position, and keep on increasing k. At the same time, after increasing k, you just check whether your s of top has this opening braces. That means, what is the meaning of that is, uh, okay, what is the meaning of that is, see, now imagine your stack has sorry some something like this. Okay, plus. Okay, now the character scanned is this one. So what it is going to do, this is your stack S, where your top is standing here. Now what you are going to do is, now this has come, it sees, okay, each time it is going to pop one element. Okay, first this is popped out, it is going to postfix. Okay, so your postfix is standing here. Already we have put a, imagine we have put a and k, from here it's moved here. Now you're going to put your plus here, and then you're going to increase your k. Okay, after that what will come out, this will go, and your top will be decreasing to here, and then again this will be popped out, into will be popped out, which is put into postfix. Okay, and again k is increased to the next position, and now your top has come here. Now see, your top has encountered a opening braces, so it will stop there. Okay, it will stop there, and what will happen, so it will stop there, and what will happen, it will come out of this loop. That means it comes here. So when it comes here, it says pop out means what will happen, this will get popped out, but it is not popped out into a postfix. It is put in some element called in an element. See, it is put in element. Okay, after that what you have to do is, okay, element is popped out, so that is what till here we have done for this if the character is a closing braces. So now next what you have to do, else the only thing left is operator. Here we had an opening braces. The character scan can be opening braces, or it can be a alphabet, or it can be a closing braces. Now next is an operator. If it's an operator, what you have to do, I've already told, you have to check the priority. Check the priority of the one present in the top of the stack with the priority of the character of the present in the infix. So if it is greater, what you have to do, pop the element and put it into the postfix and increase k. Else what you have to do, else you have to push this. As you know, if there is only one statement for the loop, this is a while loop. If there is only one statement, we don't put brackets. Okay, so that's why what is happened here is, for this loop there is only one code, that is this. Okay, so otherwise you're going to push. Okay, so I have not looked to what is the pop function. Pop function, we have the top. What does pop function say? Pop function says take the topmost element of the stack and then put the top minus minus. Return the topmost element of the stack, then to put top minus minus and go to the next element. Now here we were checking the priority. Okay, so this priority of stop, see this PR is also a function. So here the function is written here, see PR. Here what is going to happen, here it is going to take your element. Okay, it's going to take your element. Suppose now for example, imagine in the stack, imagine this is another stack. Okay, imagine the topmost you have into, and this is, let it be like this. Okay, so now plus has come, so you know that you always have to check the priority which is present in the stack. Is it greater than or equal to the priority of the character scanned from the infix? This has come from the infix. Okay, so you know, according to our priority of into, what is the priority of into? We already have seen it is what into is 3 and plus is 2. So into is 3, into is 3 and plus is 2. So this is correct, 3 is greater than 2. In that condition, what you have to do, you have to pop your this thing, pop this one out. So that is what here it is doing. So it will take the character element. If it is into, it will take into and it will return the value. Here what we need, when you're doing the priority, we need this value. The function is going to give this value. Priority, here we have called the priority function. This priority function, what it is going to do, it is going to give this value for the particular character or element into. Here also again PR function is called and plus is being passed, and after the function will return this value which is 2. So that is what is going to happen here. So if you are putting your element as into, your ELEM will come into, and into means this value will be returned, 3 value will be returned. Then again same thing here, priority of stop, that is into was called here, it was into here. Now here I put plus. Again PR of plus means again it will call the PR function which is this, and plus will be passed as the element. Okay, and what happens, plus will be here, and where what is plus value? Plus value is 2. Plus and minus will give it value 2. So that is how 2 comes and starts here. And then what you have to do, then again I got the value 3 over here, and I got the value 2 over here. So 3 is greater than 2. Yes, 3 is greater than 2 means you have to pop what? Pop the what is present in the top and put it in the postfix k, and after that increase k plus plus. If it was not true, if this value was not true, what it will do, it will push the particular value which is present in the infix, the character scanned from the infix into the stack. So finally there may be times when suppose the elements from your infix might be over. Okay, there is no infix. Okay, there is no infix. Still there are some say infix expression is over, that is your character scan is over, but still there may be some, in some cases still there may be some operators left in the stack. So at that time what you have to do, you have to pop out all these operators, okay, till you reach the hash. Okay, hash means you remember that when you are doing the infix expression, which you defaultly push the hash. This hash indicates whether you have reached your end of the stack or not. Okay, so now these two operators are remaining even though the infix expression is over. So this means just pop out the plus, pop out into. Okay, so that is what we find in the code here. In the code what we find, till you reach the hash operation, you pop everything and put it into the postfix and increase your k. And now finally after everything is over, you will give /0 to make that postfix as a valid string, and then print the infix and print the postfix. So this was the output when you type this particular infix expression. This is the postfix expression you get after doing this operation. Hope this is understood. Thank you.